Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best compact binoculars that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Bushnell Falcon wide-angle 10x50 binoculars. There has to be the winning side in any competition. Well, the competition regarding the best compact binoculars has always been a tough one. But, without any questions, this one from Bushnell has all the lovable features to make it our number 1 in this review. With 50mm lens diameter, the device enhances a magnification of 10 times. To facilitate image clarity, it also incorporates autofocusing poro prism. The close focusing distance is 25 feet and the design weighs just 27 ounces. And as you all know, outdoor usage requires that any device to have a rugged and weatherproof design. This one has finish and rubberized cage to make it extremely shockproof and waterproof as well as abrasion resistant. Besides, with a field of view of 300 feet per 1,000 yards, this device provides unsurpassed performance. Moving on at number 4, we have the Wingspan Optics Spectator 8X32 compact binoculars. It seems Wingspan Optics is a versatile brand with a lot of impressive models to offer. This particular product is yet another device from the same line of Wingspan Optics and has a lot to offer. It is ideal for stargazing, bird watching and other outdoor fun activities that require high-performance optics. And, this product provides exactly that. It provides 8 times magnification with brilliant details at distance of 1,000 yards away. The lightweight, compact and non-slip grip features make it favorable for traveling, hiking, sight viewing and other activities that requires great comfort of use. At number 3, we have the SkyGenius Small Compact 8x21 Lightweight Binoculars. Become the SkyGenius and be able to tell what is happening beyond the reach of our naked eyes. Well, with this compact binocular by SkyGenius, you have all what it takes to become that genius who can see birds from the sky clearly and even be able to distinguish them by colors and sizes. That sounds fantastic, but the truth of the matter is that not all binoculars will give out that power. Now, with this one, the BK7 roof prism and the FMC technology, you have all the potential to see anything within the horizon and be able to learn more. The lenses boast large field of view of 369 feet in 1,000 yards without distorting any particular detail of the objects being observed. At number 2, we have the Orosports folding high-powered binoculars 10x25 with weak light night vision. As the name implies, this is probably the best binocular for all you outdoor or sports needs. It has an astonishingly large field of view and delivers 10 times magnification. And with a clarity that strikes the envy of bird watching, the 25mm allows you to see brilliant details at 1,000 yards. It has all the lovable features of an outdoor accessory. Firstly, it is incredibly lightweight, shockproof, and the high-durable grip allows unshakable viewing experience. Besides, it is suitable for adults and kids who want to take the passion for hiking and traveling to the next level. And finally at number 1, we have the Wingspan Optics8X32 NatureSport compact binoculars. Life becomes sweeter when we optimize our ability. Now, a Wingspan NatureSports compact binocular is one of the top-rated devices that can change the way you've been viewing things. Besides, it offers a precise way to observe distant objects and see their details more vividly. That's a great way to spend your hiking leisure and learn more about the Mother Nature. Precisely, it features an ergo tank casing that is waterproof, fog-proof and slip-resistant. And without weighing a ton or incurring an extra bundle, this device delivers excellent performance and allows you to see sights flawlessly. In actual sense, this device allows you to see object as small as a bird which is 100 yards away. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.